Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the QUESTLEMON 8-sheet cross-cut paper shredder. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get the box open, first thing you'll find is just a simple manual, warranty guide, stuff like that. And then you'll find inside is the shredder, but also the bin is kind of, that's all inside the bin, so just be aware of that. The bin does have another little like egg crate piece that you'll want to remove. And the cool thing about this is there's going to be a visual capability. You may need to wipe it down if you're worried about being clean, because cardboard makes a little bit of a mess. So we'll go ahead and get it unwrapped and show you testing it out, how it works. All right, so once you plug it in, there's going to be two different ways to go. There's going to be your regular mode and then reverse mode. And then of course you're just going to put your stuff right in here. This does come up very easily and lifts, and it probably does not run unless it's down. So be aware of that. This whole thing, very lightweight, very portable. So we'll just go ahead and kind of show you. What it's doing here, and we'll kind of get a little bit lower so you can see that it shuts off. So you can just leave it in a standby mode, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you a single page so you can see. So that reverse mode is for jams. So if I'm jammed up, I can actually, and we'll show you this real quick. We'll start it. And then if I want to get it back out, I'll literally just go into the reverse mode. But we're going to put it back in, and we'll continue shredding. Now you may, let me just open this up. You may see an occasional piece of paper there, stuff like that. But more importantly, and we're just going to lift this here, turn it off, and lift it up, and I just want to show you what the shredding looks like. So a really good shred, as opposed to kind of like the stringy, easy, long lines that are easy to put back together. This one's going to really be a very solid shred. You know, cross cut makes it really great. So to me, sorry, I'm going to put this back on, and I'm only got one hand. This thing is awesome. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.